What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another tutorial in Python, and today we're going to be doing a little project. It's going to be related to a movie, you know. We're going to be using variables, function, lists, loops, conditionals. And also we're going to be using something that, I never used before. This is the first time. How do you capitalize a word, you know? Not uppercase, but capitalize just the first letter. For example, we're going to use that. We're going to say print. No, actually, we're going to be giving a variable name, which is going to be name. Name. Oh man. Okay. So name equals to. Let's do a name. Jonathan. Yeah, something like that. We want the first letter to be capital, right? Okay. So we're going to do print. We're going to do name. That we're going to use title parentheses, and that should give us that Jonathan with um, capitalized letter, the first one. Yeah, we have it right here, Jonathan. Yeah, we're going to be using this. Okay, cool. So wanna just to give a little demonstration about that. So let's start. So we're going to start with a variable name. We're going to use a list. Um, okay, we're going to be doing let's put movies in theater. And in theater, so equals a square bracket. So we're going to put right here Batman, comma, we're going to do Spider-Man. Okay, we got a list right here, and now we're going to be using a function. Let's create our function. We're going to put it right here, cool movies, and we're going to use a parameter right here. We're going to say movies, and then we're going to be using conditionals if movies in movies equals, oh man, equals Batman, column. So we're going to return f string with the variable name, which is going to be movies that title. Okay, and right here we're going to be adding, like, so if movies equals Batman, okay, we want this to be $40 for this, 40 bucks the ticket. Let's put $40. Else, I guess if it's Spider-Man, let's just copy this just to make our life easier. Let's copy that. We're gonna do $20. What do you guys think? You think Batman is better than Spider-Man? It's just an example. It's 40 bucks. Okay. Now right here we're going to create another function. We'll say print movies. We're going to pass another parameter right here, heroes, column. I forgot to put column right here. And then we're going to say print welcome to Megaplex. going to do another one, print say, we're going to say our action movies now are, we're going to use a for loop right here, for movies and heroes we're going to print cool movies. And want to pass movies. And then right here we want to print let's say movies in theater right here. So let's print that to see what we got. Okay, cool. So welcome to Megaplex. Our action movies now are Batman is $40 and Spider-Man is $20. Right, as you can tell, we type right here Batman, it's lowercase, the first letter is not capital, but over here it came out capital, both of them, and that's because we use the title, for both of them. Okay. Alright guys, thank you for checking the video. Hopefully you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel so we can keep on growing little by little, step by step. If this helped you, please like the video and share it if you can. Alright, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.